Presenting the Soap Water Air Modular System. The SWA for integration behind the mirror. Designer-friendly with a clean, minimalist design. Contractor-friendly with easy installation behind the mirror. User-friendly, touch-free soap water air prevents cross-contamination. Cost-friendly, reducing water and soap consumption. Eco-friendly, staff-friendly, tailored to your needs. The complete set includes a touch-free faucet and thermostatic mixing valve, a touch-free soap dispenser, hand dryer. Any combination is possible. Each component can be delivered individually. Quick and easy maintenance and refill. It's a new concept for high-end office buildings, hotels, restaurants, or luxurious shopping centers. A perfect solution for a complete, germ-free, automated environment. The Soap Water Air Module. Minimalistic design, maximum savings.